So it's Valentine's Day today, and we're just gonna get some experience from our team.
See, frankly, I don't celebrate any Valentine's Day as such, but Valentine's can be anyone whom you love, not that particular one person.
Valentine is about love to the people who love each other and they care about each other.
For me, Valentine's Day is every day is Valentine's Day for my wife and children.
It is a day after February 13.
Valentine Day is blind day.
Huh?
Blind.
What is blind?
Blind means people propose anyone.
The people who have brain, it is a day they will not use. Yeah.
All the boys, be careful.
This case is not for me as I'm single, completely single.
Yeah, Valentine Day means share your love or show your love with your beloved ones.
Still, I don't have any Valentine, so how can I tell you?
Valentine's is every day for everybody. It's not about showing love only on a specific day. It should be 365 days with all your family members and your co-workers, your loved one. Always show love to them.